Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Python 3.13.2 version on Windows 11 operating system. First we will download, then we will install it. Go to python.org, it is the official website. Click on downloads. See here we have download Python 3.13.2. But if you want older versions, scroll down, see here we have the older versions. Okay. See, we have all older versions. Then you have to click on download. But the latest stable release is Python 3.13.2. Okay, click on download. See, download started. Its size is 27.3 megabytes. Now, click on this exe file. See here, install now or custom installation. Okay, we will go with custom installation. If you select install now, this will be the default installation location. But before selecting either of them, use admin privileges when installing py.exe file. And also add the python.exe to the path, that is environment variable path. Okay, so if you select this one, this will be the installation location. But if you select custom installation, we can select the path by our own. So click on customize installation. See, you can select optional features. So I want to install all the features, so click on next. But if you don't want any one of them, you can unselect. Okay, then click on next. See, this is the installation location. If you want some other location, select location. Okay, and see here advanced options. Install Python 3.13 for all users, and we have the download debugging tools, debugging symbols, binaries, free threaded binaries, etc. options are there. You want, it is up to you. If you want to select, you can select. Okay, and if you want to create shortcuts for installed applications, you have to select this one, file extensions, etc. Then if you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, installation has been started. See, setup was completed. Click on close. Now start all applications. Go to the folder with the name Python. See here we have the Python 3.13. Click on drop down. See here we have the idle Python command line client, documentation and manuals. Okay, so open idle. See here the version of the Python is Python 3.13.2. Okay, even if you open cmd, if you type Python, see, we have installed Python 3.13. Or go to all applications, then go to the Python folder, open Python idle. See, we got the same Python version. Okay, so all these three versions are same. If you want to run Python commands, suppose some of these numbers are hello world, print hello world. Even we can run the same commands here. Okay, if you want to exit, just give Ctrl G and hit enter. If you want to create .py Python file and compile, just give notepad hello world .py. Click on yes. Now give these some Python commands like print hello world, a equals to 100, b equals to 150, c equals to a plus b, print c. Save the file. Now run Python hello world .py. See, we got the values. But if you want, like if you modify this one, like d equals to d minus a, print d, but I haven't saved it. If you run the same, it will give the same output. But if you save the file, then only modified values will be displayed. See, after saved, we got the output. Okay, this is the way. You can also open the modules. Go to here, file, open, then go to this path, paste it, hello world .py. .py is the Python extension. Select it, then click on run module. See, we got the same output. Whatever here we got the same output. Okay, so this is the way to run the Python command. So in this video we have seen how to install Python 3.13.2 on Windows 11 or Windows 10 operating systems. For more Python tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.